Hey fam, welcome back to my channel Update Savvy. In this video, we will see how to uninstall the Windows 10 update or a recent update. So the question is why you need to uninstall the recent update. Some build has a bug or a defect. Suppose after the update, you have a problem with connecting with your Bluetooth devices or the internet is not working, which are the common things after the update. Or suppose your earphone is not working or any other issues in your system. So in that case, you have to roll back to the previous version of the Windows, which was working absolutely perfect to you. So now quickly see how we can do that. So first step is search recovery. Go to the search and type recovery, and then we will see recovery options. So here is the option where you can go to the previous version of Windows 10. So in your PC, if you have updated with the recent version, so you can see here which is enabled, and you can go back to the previous version of the Windows. So the second method is you have to go again to the search and type the Windows settings, and then after the setting will open, you have to go to the update and the security. So then here all the recent updated through the view update history. You click here, you will see all the updated happened to your system recently. And if you want, you have the options, like you can go for the recovery option. So if you go to recovery option, it will take you back to that recovery window where I have just mentioned you before. So I'm just going back to that option and see view history update, and I go here and see the uninstall updates. So you can see these are the updates which are happened recently to my system, which is recently updated on the 26th of May. So you can see here the latest update happened to your system for the antivirus update. This is, and for this one like 45422, this is the latest update happened to your system. And you can then uninstall the update from here. So you can see latest update happened to your system 26th of 05 2020, and then you can also see that this is available KB455452. It is here. So if you are facing any problem with that, either like your Bluetooth is not working, your internet is not working, and you have problem with some screen resolution, so you can just go here directly and click here and then uninstall it from here. So suppose you don't want to uninstall the recent update of the Windows, but you want a quick fix, so you can just click directly on the link and it will take you to the Microsoft support website. So also, if I want to show you some updates regarding the, suppose if I want to see the updates here, trigger an update, so version you can see here. So the third option is to uninstall the recent update through command prompt. For that, you need to go for the command prompt. So if you are wondering what is this functionality is about, so you have to go to my channel and look for the PowerToy playlist, where you can see this PowerToy software, which is the Microsoft latest open source software, where you can see the PowerToy run through the Control-Alt-Enter. So I press Control+Enter, and then I will search here the command prompt. So in the command prompt, so then here I need to write a command. So guys, you can see here, this is my recent update, which I have shown you through the setting also, KB455452. So I can reinstall from here also. So I need to write a command /KB. Then I need to write that number 455, and then I press enter. So you can see here it is asking me for, do you want to uninstall the following software update? So I said no, and then I cancel OK. So these are some methods that where you can uninstall any broken build or which you have recently updated to the newer version of the Windows. So you can roll back to the previous version of the Windows where it was working perfectly for you. All your devices were working correctly. So thank you for watching my videos, fam. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. So query, please comment below and I will reply to you soon. Thank you.